Our kids are very engaged in multisensory learning, using senses that are otherwise kind of dormant if you're listening and reading and writing, which is kind of what kids have been asked to do in traditional school for a long time. They really get more excited when they're able to move and use their bodies or create something. When we stimulate those other senses, their interest in the activities that we're doing just shoots up. One of the things that I've noticed as well about this particular workshop is kids get to work on their own. There's some creativity in that. They have some choice. They're given a pathway for how to create what they're trying to create, but they are the ones who get to create it. So there's that, I think, an emotional engagement in being able to take ownership and make something yourself and problem solve a little bit. That problem solving, that social aspect as well is really powerful for them. We came last week with my other group of fifth graders, and like the whole week since, there's been references to the vocabulary that the kids were learning and also the different movements. It's cool to see that they're internalizing some of the ideas that we're learning about anatomy, which are definitely beyond the technical requirements for fifth grade.